I'm sitting inside looking out at the frost and thinking, what can I do in a garden today? Well, the one thing you can't do is walk on the grass or walk on the lawn, because you will definitely damage it. Remember, I keep showing you rough patches. However, as I keep reminding you, there are still things to do. If you've got a rough area of garden or a rough hedge area, we've been clearing out the brambles out of hedges. That's really important. Get those brambles and blackberries out of the hedgerows. And ivy. So many trees have fallen down in the last few weeks of wind. Mainly, if you look at them, they're covered in ivy. Cut the ivy off at the base and treat it, or keep cutting it off at the base to stop it growing up into those trees. And it's like putting a sail into trees. It's as easy as that. And don't forget that the other thing you can do as well is trim back hedges and keep them roughly tidy. Put food out for the birds. What else can you do? Oh, see, they got plenty of water. And watch those ponds if you've got ponds across the country, because ponds need to see that there's a hole in them. That doesn't mean go out with a hammer and crack it, because if you've got fish in there, it'll damage your fish as well. Go down to your local garden centre and have a look at what you could be planting this spring, or even in the next few months. Let's face it, spring's round the corner, and you'll be looking at summer bulbs as well. So there's plenty to do. Look at the seed catalogues. What are you going to grow in vegetables? There you are. You can sit indoors and do that with a nice mug of tea.
Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.